Hey, what's up guys? I got a Toyota Sienna here, and the brake light up in the top does not work. Alright, so we're gonna take it apart. This is the rear top brake light. Alright, so you have a brake light over here and brake light over there, so these three of them has to work together when you press the brake. Alright, so if this one is not working, we're gonna take a look at what we're gonna do. You're gonna need a tool T25, alright, torque number 25. That's what you're gonna need. You're gonna turn that screw counterclockwise. Should be a very simple job, right? Do them together. You see how the screw and the housing, the light, the glass area all move together. You don't want to crack it, so do little by little because it will force one side while the other one is sticking down. So do them together, guys. Get this off. If my screw fall out, don't worry about it. I'll pick it up because I'm holding a camera with one hand, but you shouldn't have that issue unless you're watching my video at the same time, holding a phone with one hand and doing it with the other hand. So pretty much you turn these counterclockwise and this whole housing will come out, right? So this is an LED bulb, so sometimes water gets in, and so this has a whole bunch of LEDs inside. All right, so we cannot replace anything here. I am gonna order another light, and all you need to do is, there should be a connector here. All right, there should be a connector somewhere in there. All right, there's no connector, guys. All right, but this is one piece, so that's how you're gonna remove it, guys. So I'm gonna have to probably end the video here since we don't have the piece. All right, but let me take a look inside. So the light does come down here. There has to be a connector in there somewhere, and you could just simply pop this cover. I'm not gonna pop it because I don't even know if you can get the light. All right, but might as well pop it. So there's your connector, guys. So all you're gonna do is push this, and you're gonna pull on this little guy, and the connector should come out just like that. All right, and my light should come out from the other side, but I'm gonna close it back up because I do have to wait for another. I have to get that light bulb, the whole thing. It's gonna be a whole assembly, guys. So there's gonna be one whole piece. All right, so all you do is buy a new one, put another one in. Sometimes it might just come as a circuit board inside. You can push on these little tabs and remove it. All right, but once you put it back together, all you need to do is connect that connector inside, and you take your tool. You could probably find this on eBay or Amazon. Align it, turn it slowly. Once you have it lined, you just tighten this little guy. You can even clean the area where it's the top, but mine's gonna stay loose, so I ain't gonna be doing this again once I get it. All right, just enough tight, guys. Don't go crazy. Don't use power tools. You don't need to. All right. There it is. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. After that, just press your brake pedal and light should come on. Before you even buy it, guys, you could test it. You put a test light on it, see if it does work. Sometimes it's not even the light. It could be something else. It could be electrical issue. But just test it. The connector I showed you guys. Let me open this up again. So this little guy just has a whole bunch of tabs. All right, these little clips. Sometimes these clips will stay behind. You pop them up, put them there, and then stick them right back on. All right, and to check power, all you need to do is connect. All right, you have a positive or negative. That's all it is. All right, just connect the ground somewhere and check. Have somebody press it and back probe it and see if there's power and see if there's ground. All right, so if you do have both, you're good. You're in good hands. But this is done, guys. To put it back, all you need to do is align these little clips. If I can do it with one hand, that'd be nice. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, that's how you're gonna do this. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.